Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a beer called Schneider Weisse. Schneider Weisse. Original German wheat, German Hefeweizen. Did I get that right? Hefeweizen, German wheat beer. I get some information off of here. 5.4%. To 5.4% and IBUs of 14. This is, well, the brewery, legendary Bavarian brewery, G. Schneider and Son, legendary Bavarian brewery, established in 1872. So today we're going to do a little things a little bit different. Bought a new toy. Going to drink quite a bit of this, or some of it, do a little breath test, come back after I finish the rest, and we'll see how close to illegal I am. I am 100% legal right now to drive and to live in the United States of America. She's a bit foamy. Just a bit. It's kind of on the dark side. Definitely on the dark side. Looks like I got a little time to waste here. See if I can find anything. Just codes. Codes I could care less about. Or stamps. State approvals, country approvals. I don't know. So I picked up this handy dandy breathalyzer. We're going to see how well it works. I weigh 195. I eat 3 eggs, 3 patties of sausage every morning. So you could kind of go by what I'm going to be at. If you're about 195 and eat about the same thing, you'll know how much you can drink. To be legal, that is. Well, with the aroma, definitely get a banana type aroma. Banana and vanilla, maybe. Little vanilla. And I don't really want to eat it. Foam from beer just doesn't, not a very nutritious meal. That is dark. So it's dark outside today. It's been storming lately. So I can't tell if there's a lot of carbonation flying up. We can tell it's carbonated by that. I think when I first poured it, it was about that much. 8 fingers, hit quite a bit. Well, come on. I don't know if that helps. Well, you definitely get, there's banana and a little bready flavor, maybe a touch of lemon, I think. I think that's lemon I taste. I could be wrong. I don't think I am. So this beer, anybody wondering, I got it at halftimebeverage.com. Halftimebeverage.com. Got a good deal on delivery or shipping. It's a flat rate, pretty cheap flat rate. $20 in the continental United States. It ain't bad. If you don't mind wheat beers, that's what it tastes like. It's a wheaty beer. I don't know if this device works or not. We're going to find out. Takes a little bit to reset it. I haven't drank much. Half a beer maybe. Have to chug her down and get it into my piece of shit, shutting off. Oh, son of a bitch. What a piece. Well, there's only one button. Can't imagine I'm not doing it right. Try her again. Not moving. That's going to shut off. Piece of shit. Oh well. If you go to Walmart and buy a breathalyzer that looks like this, don't buy it. Try her again. And it's going to shut off. What a piece of crap. I bought the cheapest one. I guess you get what you pay for. This will be going back tomorrow morning. Don't throw the package away. Try one more time, hold the button in, and do it. I just don't think it's going to work. Piece of crap. Ah, shutting off. God damn. Well, good thing it didn't cost over 14. Do you suppose if I bought the $55 one that would have worked? I'd be just as pissed off if it did not. In fact, I'd be 3 times pissed off than I am now. Well, back to the beer. This beer, I rated a 6.5, possibly 7, 6.5 to 7. It's all right. I always say this: you can find a good deal on it, buy a bunch of it. Ain't bad. It's a wheat beer. If you like wheat beer, you probably like it. So I'd say with that, that's about going to do it. I wish that would have worked. That would have been cool. I got some strong beers I want to try it with. I don't know what I'd be doing wrong. It's only one button. Just does one thing. Turns it on. I don't know. Piece of shit. Well, thanks for joining me. This beer is not going up there because it's not a can. So, thanks for joining me. See you next time. Peace.